Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this video will be the part 2 of how to use the Nano Banana and also the things that you can do with this AI. How to do that. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So here I'm still accessing the Nano Banana via Google AI Studio, and let's get into the things that you can do with it. You can click this Nano Banana first, and you can also start it off by choose the picture from your device, for example this one. And the next thing that you can do with this Nano Banana is you can change the perspective. As you can see that this picture was actually portrayed from the actually a bit of front and also in a slightly inline angle. But what if I would like to create the picture from the CCTV perspective? For example, change the perspective. Okay, of this picture to be captured from CCTV, for example, and you can click run here and kindly wait for the process. And if you have any another AI that can do the same to access this Nano Banana, please don't worry guys to put it on the comment section because we would love to share comments there and making the video in another version. So this will be the result here. So I think it will be better to put the prompt more complete than mine over here. But as you can see that this picture has changed the perspective that being captured from the CCTV camera, and also it show you the timestamp or time capture over here and also the look over here. And also you can change it to become, for example, change this picture to be in perspective of CCTV and thermal camera, for example, and enter or continue to run the prompt and kindly wait. Well, basically by using this Google AI Studio or to access this Nano Banana, approximately to generate the picture, it usually consume or take the time more than 10 seconds, and so that you need to make sure that your connection is good so the result will be more smoothly. Okay, this will be the result. And the next thing that you can do with this Nano Banana is change the facial expression. For example, I will go to the very first prompt in this section and I will edit it. And for example, change the facial expression to be, for example, laughing while kneading the dough, and click this, rerun this turn, and kindly wait for this picture to be, let's say, refined or being generated following this prompt guys. And if you have another suggestion of prompt, please also suggest us on the comment section and we will learn from that. And as you can see that the facial expression has been changed perfectly from this the regular or just smiling into the laughing like this. And after changing the expression guys by this Nano Banana AI, you can also try to changing the poses. For example, I want that this model or this character to change the pose. I will refine it again, this prompt, change the pose of this guy to be jumping, for example, while kneading the dough. And you can continue to rerun this turn and kindly wait for the result. And after waiting for a while, so this will be the result. Okay, it seems like that the leg of this man has maybe would start to jump or after jumping, but still in the consistent position that he is kneading the dough. So that's all guys. So the next thing or the conclusion is that you can change the perspective and also change the facial expression and also change the pose. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining and don't forget to try this Nano Banana. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section. And I'll see you in the part 3 about the another things that you can do with this Nano Banana. Have a good day and see you later.